Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create and add a discount code to your Squarespace website and store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com, if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where we can find all the websites we own, and what you want to do is open up the website that you want to add a discount for. So I'm going to open up this website right here. It's going to open up in a new tab, and now I'll be greeted by the main page where I can access all the options right here, such as website, products, invoicing, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with creating a discount code that we want to enable people to be able to use for our website store and for our products. What we want to do is look right here at the left side screen. At the top of the screen, we can see this search button. You want to click on search. After clicking on search, guys, this is now going to enable us to search what we were looking for, and what we want to do is type out discount. So as you can see, guys, this is now going to enable us in this results menu to open up our discount section. So I'm going to do so right here. If you want to go into directly right here from the left side, you can just go into marketing and discounts, but the search option is easier. And after searching, guys, you can see this is now going to enable us to add a discount. So as you can see, currently I have no active discounts, and now in the upper right corner I can click on the add a discount button. So after clicking add discount, guys, this is now going to enable us to select what kind of discount we want to add. I'll add the percentage off, amount of, free shipping, and so on. So you can select whatever you want to do. As you can see here, you can go and select the discount code that you want to use. You can enter in what kind of code you want to use, or even generate one. And after so, you can just click the save button in the upper right corner, and this is going to enable you to save your discount successfully that people will be able to use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.